Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, but not here in CCK. Last night, actually started yesterday morning, I prepared a big old batch of my macaroni salad. Oh, it's always good, always. I will definitely get the recipe up for this again for you to enjoy. Then I did oven-baked barbecue ribs. The recipe has the rub and the sauce in it. They always turn out great. I have been using this recipe for over a year, or this method actually, and the recipe. Yeah, it's excellent. So Callie, it's coming to you. Today, you ever have a guilty pleasure when you go to a restaurant? Even if it's like a chain restaurant? And I'm talking not McDonald's, not Burger King, but I'm saying something place like Chili's or Applebee's. One of my favorite things as an appetizer is mozzarella sticks. Oh, yeah. There's just something about the crispiness of the breading and the gooey and stretchiness of the cheese, yeah, dipped in marinara or yeah. Oh, so tonight, I found a great mozzarella stick recipe that I'm going to attempt. Now, what I'm going to do, though, the method, you can either fry them or you can bake them. I'm actually going to bake them. I hate playing with hot oil. Just do. Because I didn't grow up with it. That's why. And I'm doing one of the fastest meals I cook. And I mean cook. You can normally say prepare. My chili mac. Yes. Let's get to it. Got the hardware going. I always do my chili mac in my wok. And I will, like I said, I'll be baking these mozzarella sticks. The chili mac is very simple. There's no prep for me. Ground turkey, you can use ground beef or ground elk, but we prefer the ground turkey. A pre-packaged macaroni and cheese. I like to add a small tub of pico de gallo. Of course, kosher salt and black pepper for when you're frying up. Browning the meat. A McCormick's original taco seasoning mix. Just make it just like regular with the water. And I usually add a little bit of chili powder. And probably today I'm going to be using the Mexican, actually the California. I said Mexican because it comes from the Mexican aisle and Mexican stores. So that's the chili mac. Super simple, super fast. The mozzarella cheese sticks, obviously got to have some string cheese. Robin, as you can see, the top's been cut off. I got these on sale yesterday. It was a $5 Monday. This is the big package of 24 ounces, or basically 24 cheese sticks. Robin took some to work with the macaroni salad. And there's all-purpose flour, some breadcrumbs. It calls for Italian style. I just have plain, no big deal. Parmesan cheese, an egg. The empty measuring cup will have milk later on. I don't keep half gallons of milk anymore on hand because of the heat, and I just don't drink it, or Robin doesn't drink it during the summer. Garlic powder, onion powder, parsley flakes, celery flakes, basil, oregano. Yes, I'm going to grind them up a little bit in my mortar and pestle. Yes, I have a baby. I'm wanting a bigger one, and I will be serving that with the generic jarred tomato sauce. So, as you can see, I really don't have any prep today. Other than going to the store and getting some milk. Sure, I got breading to do, blah, 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 which I won't do. What's fun about this recipe, this method for the mozzarella sticks, is we freeze these. And they have reasons, blah, 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 blah. So, my dinner prep or dinner, blah, 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 starts about 3 o'clock, which is okay. I'll be wanting something to do by then. So, On this Tuesday, this Taco Tuesday, but not here. Hopefully, you will be getting tacos from your favorite taqueria. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.